Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix there is an issue with your payment method. Update your payment method information to correct the problem and try again. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your Apple ID in your iPhone, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So simply, first of all, you need to open your settings and guys click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to go back and guys you need to open your Apple ID in your iPhone. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on sign in and security. And guys, after this you need to click on change password. And guys, you need to change your password of your Apple ID. And guys, after this you need to go back and guys, you can see here the option of payment and shipping. So guys, simply you need to click on this tab. And guys, you need to remove all the payment method that you have added on your Apple ID. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to click on subscriptions tab. And guys, you need to remove all the subscriptions that you have purchases on your iPhone. And guys, the last is you need to click on media and purchases. And guys, simply you need to click on view account. And guys, after this, here you need to put password of your Apple ID and simply you need to click on sign in. And after this you need to wait for new page opening. And guys, here you will find this type of interface. So guys, simply you need to click on country and region. And guys, you need to click on change country or region. Simply you need to click on this tab. And guys, you need to change your country from here as you want. So guys, for example, I am going to select Australia. And guys, after selecting your country, you need to wait. And guys, simply you need to click on agree with terms and conditions of Apple Media. So guys, here you can see here you need to click on credit or debit card. And guys, here you need to add your new payment method, number, expiry date and CVV. After this you need to write your billing address must. And guys, you need to write your phone number and simply you need to save your informations. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.